Hi everybody, I'm Mary with Cascade Sciences, and today I want to talk about a cool tool that you can use to determine when your product comes to temperature, how long it takes to get to temperature, when you may help determine endpoint. So for example, if you want to dry or bake out a product for say 30 minutes at 100 degrees Celsius, how long does it take to get to 100 degrees Celsius before you start your 30-minute timer? This temperature rated feed through is the way to go. So right now I have in front of me here our vacuum rated temperature feed through. So this installs in a vacuum oven. I'm going to show you how we do this in a second here. But on the end of these are little temperature probes, little thermometers. And then we have this data logger with 12 channels, but I have 9 thermocouple wires on my kit that will display the temperature of each one of these wires. We also include this capped on tape that you can tape these thermocouple wires to a specific point on a vacuum oven shelf, on your part itself, and it will actually read the temperature of the part inside the oven under vacuum in real time. That is fantastic information to have when you're trying to develop an SOP or determine endpoint. Let's install this and I'll show you how it works. Here's how we install a vacuum feed through for the IQ/OQ package that comes with the vacuum oven. It also allows you to measure your at-part temperature. On the back of your vacuum oven, you have this KF25 port. The vacuum rated feed through comes with the hardware and a hermetically sealed vacuum rated feed through with 9 Type J thermocouple wires coming out of it. Think about this. How can you have something inside a vacuum oven and outside a vacuum oven at the same time? It has to be hermetically sealed. It has to have awesome vacuum integrity. That's what this vacuum feed through does. So 9 thermocouple wires coming out. They go into the temperature logger. 9 thermocouple wires going in through the KF25 port. You can map them out on your shelf to find out your shelf temperature. You can actually put them in a part to find out the actual part temperature. A really handy tool that comes with the Cascade IQ/OQ kits. So I've asked my trusty assistant Albert here to help me demonstrate how this vacuum temperature feed through works. So I've run the 9 thermocouple wires through the vacuum oven's KF25 port, and I've actually probed up Albert at different locations on his body. I have a temperature program running in the oven, and I can actually see at these 9 different locations what his actual temperature is, displayed on this data logger here. This is especially important if the product that you have inside the oven is temperature sensitive. This can tell me in real time what he is actually seeing under vacuum. It's a great tool to measure endpoint, to protect your device, and just to help develop an SOP when you're wondering how long it takes for something to actually come up to temperature under vacuum. If you have any questions at all, give us a call, reach out, we're happy to help.